Poor man's burnt ends. Guys, we're gonna make it today. I'm gonna show you how easy it can be. Listen, I'm doing it on my Traeger smoker, but you can use whatever smoker you got, okay? Just follow these steps, these parameters, you'll be good to go, all right? Real quick, I wanna thank this week's sponsor, BetterHelp, but more on them later. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started with this. I'm gonna take you back a couple nights ago. I took a 2.5 pound chuck roast that had some decent marbling in it. All right. And then we seasoned it up with some nice Cosmo Q double pepper rub, front, back, side to side, get it nice and covered. We're going to keep it on that wire rack. Then we threw it in the fridge and let it dry brine. All right. So that's basically just you season it up, stick it in the fridge, let that air hit it, let the salt pull out the moisture of the meat a little bit, then drag that good flavor of the rub back in. And then that takes us back to today. Now we're gonna go ahead and get that Traeger fired up. We're using, of course, my Smokin Pecan pellets. Guys, hit the QR code, hit the link in the video description, whatever. Go ahead and get these pellets. They're all natural. They're made from pecan shells, right? They burn cleaner, they burn longer. I love them. My link will get you 10% off your first order. So make sure you check it out. Get that bad boy fired up. We're going 225 and we're using the super smoke feature of the Traeger to give it all that good smoke. And then we're going to take that up to about 170 degrees or so. This is the part where you just want to give it all that good smoke, okay? You're just going to bombard it with smoke. Now I went ahead and put that chuck roast on the top rack, put a little water pan underneath it to catch all the goodness in there. Now to check those temps, we have my Temp Pro, that's right, ThermoPro rebranded, so they're the Temp Pro now. Temp spike, okay? We're gonna stick that temp spike in the chuck roast so we can make sure we're monitoring the temps all the way through with that good Temp Pro app. It's gonna take a while for me to get used to that change. I've been using ThermoPro for probably 4 or 5 years now. So when they changed the Temp Pro, threw me all off. That's all right. Anyway, so we got that in there. We're setting the app, set it to 170, Bluetooth connected. So we were watching it from the inside, you know, real easy to do, right? Kind of set and forget it style, right? We get that chuck roast on and get that smoke rolling. Pretty simple, right? Guys, we're not reinventing the wheel here, but guys, you follow these steps and you'll have great, awesome little bites of heaven. Listen, you can do it with a brisket. You can do it with pork belly. I've seen burnt ends with smoked sausage and hot dogs, but you know, the whole idea is the same. You give it smoke and you give it a lot of good flavor on the braise. So that's what we're gonna do. And to take it to that 170, it took about 3 or 4 hours, give or take. I wasn't exactly watching it, but before we pull that roast off and get it inside, I want to talk about this week's sponsor, BetterHelp. Listen, y'all, if you've watched my channel over the years, you know that I value mental health. And with this being Mental Health Awareness Month, I thought it was a great time to partner up again with BetterHelp.com. Guys, BetterHelp is an easy way to get back to working on your mental health. All you do is take a short quiz and they match you up with a licensed therapist. And one of the things I love about having access to BetterHelp is that you can do your therapy on the phone, you can do it over the computer, you can do it on the text. And guys, if you don't vibe with that particular therapist they match you up with, you can switch anytime at no extra cost. Over 6 million people have taken advantage of BetterHelp. And you know what? They have a 4.8 score out of 5 on the App Store. So you know a lot of people have endorsed them. I'm one of them, right? So if you guys want to take advantage of BetterHelp, especially in Mental Health Awareness Month, right? Hit my link. It's betterhelp.com/cookingwithcj. It'll save you 10% on your first month's therapy. And I can't think of a better reason not to get started today. So thanks to BetterHelp for being such a great channel sponsor over the years. Now, let's go ahead and get that chuck roast in here and start making those poor man's burn ends. So we're back inside with that chuck roast, and all we're gonna do is get it on a cutting board. Then we're gonna chop it into like 1-inch squares, okay? You can make them a little bigger if you want, but I'm looking for little bite-sized morsels, okay? Once we cut them all up, we'll get them in one of those toss-away metal trays that you see all over the place. We're gonna add a little beef stock in there. We're gonna add about 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter, a bunch of honey because we want these sweet and sticky to go along with that competition barbecue sauce from Cosmo's Q. Get it all mixed up in there, and then we're gonna cover it up with some foil. And then to get it back on the smoker, I'm gonna pump up the heat on that smoker. Since we got through that super smoke period, we're gonna pump it up to 300 degrees and then let that braising and the good caramelization, all that good stuff happen, right? Yeah. in the Traeger, right? Nice and sealed. And we're gonna take those to about 205, 210. We want them pretty nice and squishy and done, right? And then pull them off. And this is where we're at right now. We're letting them rest, chilling. Now let's go ahead and open up the tin foil and see what we got. Oh, guys, these have been nice and chilling, resting a little bit. I said we dig one out and give it a bite. Guys, look at that barky goodness right there. Nice and soft, nice and braised. Look at it falling apart. Yeah, buddy. Let's get a bite. Y'all, this is Little Bite of Heaven. This is drippy. Let's get a bite. All right. Freaking good. You're definitely gonna want to have a little towel handy. Guys, these are sticky, sweet, smoky. Got pepper in there, that double pepper cow rub from Cosmos Q. Gosh, that's heavy duty right there. So peppery, sweet, tender, delicious. Guys, you're gonna want to make these, all right? Before I say goodbye, thanks to BetterHelp.com for sponsoring this video. Guys, make sure you check it out. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.